Google the name of the business or the individual and their street address if they have it, and no directory assistance needed. You have Google do it for free.
Get rid of that.
And there is a beautiful Ford Ranchero. Looks like the Starsky and Hutch car, the red one with the white stripe that just went by over there.
Oh, and we got
Early
a Subaru
70s.
up here.
Yep.
And Mark, I want to tell you something.
Yeah.
I called CenturyLink this afternoon, just a few minutes ago, to try to yell at them about my bill. And I was talking to someone in repair who said, "Ma'am, I've got to let you go. There's a tornado coming.
Yeah,
I've got to get down to the basement."
That was in Colorado.
In Colorado?
Yeah, they have a call center down there.
In Colorado, they had a tornado?
Yeah, south of Colorado Springs, south of there.
They did just a minute ago?
A little bit ago, yeah.
Oh, well, I let it go.
I was watching
get down
I was
to the
watching
basement.
it on the Weather Channel.
Oh,
so
I thought it was in Oklahoma or the Midwest.
No, they have several. They have several call centers, and but yes, there was one in Colorado.
Right, this evening.
Yep.
Oh. Huh. Well, he didn't have a dialect like he was from Oklahoma, so he sounded like he was from up here somewhere. So it could very well be from Colorado then.
Yep.
And so I said, "I'll just get down to the basement. Goodbye." And I hung up. I'll call you tomorrow. So I just prayed you're all right. Did you hear any of the results?
I haven't.
Okay. Well, we gotta continue to pray for them because you're not used to tornadoes up there.
Oh yeah, they do have them. They're infrequent, but they have had some nasty ones down there in Colorado. Yep.
I thought because they're nestled in a mountain range.
Well, actually, western Colorado is. Colorado Springs is not exactly in the mountains. That's southeast of Denver.
Oh yeah. That's where Matthew was. Is she still there, do you know? Did I do that again?
It wasn't you, but I do believe that Matt is still there, yes.
Okay, well maybe he's making his home there. Okay. It's a good thing.
Yep.
Maybe he is. I hope he's okay. And I'm praying. I'm just praying about you guys. Mothers do that.
Yep.
We love you.
Yes, we do.
Okay.
Let's see why this
credit from 8
There's something
schools,
in the
Christian
garbage.
schools. Did they give you a reason?
Is that yours?
Let's see why this keeps on.
There was something in there. That black thing. No.
I gotta focus on this. I'm worried about this right at the moment.
Okay. Never mind. You gotta drive too.
Yeah, gotta. There we go. So there's that.
Mind on the road.
We're good. Yep.
Oh man. You like my shirt?
Yeah, looks good.
Do I look feminine right now?
You're
With
good.
this shirt on?
You're good.
I do?
Yes.
Well, I dressed up. I took a bath, which is really an amazing thing.
Yep. Oh yeah.
I look forward to our time together.
Yeah,
Mark.
me too. I gotta buy some new